Hello everyone, this is Amir from Mikanto Reviews. Today I am reviewing WP Suite by Ankur Shukla. I am also giving you a WP Suite demo as well, so kind of a two-in-one video. I'm going to take you inside the product itself. What I always like to do before I show you the product is give you a brief overview of what it is. So towards that purpose, I've brought you to my WP Suite review page. And on a very quick side note, should you decide this is a product that you might find useful for your online business, I am offering an exclusive bonus only available through my review page. When you purchase WP Suite through my review page, you will also receive all of the bonuses listed here absolutely free. There's something for everyone. I'm not going to explain each and every one of those, but you can check them out if you wish. You're also going to get an extra bonus package, which comes from Ankur himself. And you can click there to see the list of those extra bonuses. So there's a lot of added incentive, but the main reason you are here is to see what WP Suite is all about. So what it basically is, it's a tool that helps you work a lot more efficiently as far as managing your WordPress blogs, because what it allows you to do is manage all of your WordPress blogs under the same single platform, which means when you log into WP Suite, you could manage all of your WordPress blogs right there, as opposed to logging into one WordPress blog, updating that, doing your thing, making a post or whatever it is, then going on to the next one and the next one and so on. So if you have multiple WordPress sites, this is very useful. And what I mean by managing your sites through one platform, first of all, there's a demo here that you can also watch. This is from the vendor himself. However, I may end up replacing this with my own demo, but you can still access this demo through my YouTube channel if it does change. So keep that in mind. But let me quickly go through the features here. What I mean as far as managing all your WordPress blogs from one dashboard is you can add and manage an unlimited number of sites, WordPress sites, of course. You can install multiple themes and plugins to any blog from this dashboard. Now, one quick thing I'll mention about the Pro version, all right? The Pro version is, of course, the upgrade. Now, in the Pro version, what you can actually do is you can create packs of plugins, right? So let's say you have 5 plugins that you install on every WordPress site you create. You can put those into a package, and with the click of a button, install all of those plugins across all of your blogs just like that. So the Pro version makes a lot of things even more automated. I've broken that down as well. You can assign tags and groups to blogs and categorize or group them. You can globally modify your WordPress settings across all blogs, update your themes and plugins with a click of a button, and you can also create and manage posts, pages, categories, tags, comments, users, images, and videos. Basically, you can manage absolutely everything related to all of your WordPress sites through one dashboard. And that's going to save you a lot of time, which, of course, ends up saving you a lot of money, because you can put that time saved towards other important tasks in your online business. So with that said, let's go into WP Suite itself. I'm logged in over here. Alright, so as you can see here, this looks a lot like we are logged into a single WordPress blog, except we are in fact logged into all of our blogs, or at least the test blogs that we have added inside here. Now, in the dashboard, as usual, you get kind of an overview of what you have. In this case, we have 5 sites, 1 client, 2 tag words, 35 plugins installed, 28 themes, users, a whole lot of posts and pages, and a lot of categories. It also tells you if there are any updates to the plugins and themes that you have installed at any given time. It'll tell you right here, or the WordPress system itself. It'll give you your comments, and over here we can see the 5 websites that we have individually. So you can manage them individually if you like, of course. Here you can, for example, view the dashboard for your individual website. All right, you go into posts, you see the posts for that particular site. So you could manage it individually, just as you always would. And you can also manage them all at once through bulk actions. Now, this is really cool. You can, by selecting over here on the left, for example, let's say if you want to just run updates on your first 2 blogs, or maybe your first, second, and last blog here, you could just select your filters, and then over here the actions that you can choose from are shown. We can update all of our WordPress plugins and themes, just plugins, just themes, whatever you want to do. Also over here we can see all of the comments, so you can see how many new comments you have pending, for example, approve them, it gives the status, approve them all, mark them as spam, whatever you want to do. And once you do that, of course, the notice goes away because you've already dealt with it. So these are basically updates. And all right, going back to the dashboard here, we have our tags. So let's say you want to add a tag, for example. I'm going to say testing. Add a color. So the tags are for organizational purposes. Obviously, with a product like WP Suite, where you can add an unlimited number of blogs and manage every blog that you have. Some users might have a lot of blogs, so for organizational purposes, tags allows you to basically group certain items in your website. So, for example, you can create niche site tags, membership site tags, or whatever you want, however you want to use them, basically. Packages, I mentioned that earlier. This is a good example we have here, Seo Pack. So here is a pack of plugins. You can see the names of the plugins right here. And we can install, with the click of a button, all 5 of these plugins on any new blog that we bring into WP Suite. All right, you see it right there, add plugins. However you want to do that, you just click on install packages. All right. There are bonus tools that come with WP Suite as well. The pinging tool, for example, when you create a new blog post on any of your sites, you can just plug in that URL, that new post right here, and WP Suite will ping it for you. Instead of using some external tool, you can get that done right here, so your posts will be indexed as soon as possible. Let me actually do this on my WP Suite review just to show you. I'm going to plug in my URL there, click start. It's going to start the pinger, and this list down here will begin to populate. One of them failed. That happens wherever you go, but it's going to show me the pings as they happen. So far we have 5 pings. We have a domain finder tool. This will help you find available domains in any niche. All you have to do is type in a keyword. For example, we could type in sport, and we can see that obviously those domains are taken. What's another example of something we could do? Let's say JVZoo reviews. And we could see jvzooreviews.com taken, .net taken, .org is available. This is, quite honestly, this tool right here is nothing spectacular. It's just more something that's convenient to have. It's a bonus. It's not to be considered, part of the main purpose of WP Suite, but it's something you might find useful from time to time. just in case you want to check the availability of certain TLDs. Now this one, however, I think is pretty cool. The link finder allows you to type in a link and it will pull backlinks related to that link. So let's go ahead and try it for a website, iptorrents.com. We're going to enter the TLD, iptorrents.com, and that's a huge site, so it's probably going to take a moment. But as you can see, it starts to pull all of these backlinks. So it's a great way to, for example, you could spy your competitors, put in one of their blog posts or websites that you're competing with, see who they are getting backlinks from. Also, you get some great metrics, domain authority, page authority, moz rank, external links. This and anchor text right here. This is actually one of my favorite tools. You can export to CSV as well, print, copy. So this link finder is one of my favorite tools inside WP Suite, and it's merely a bonus. So once again, it's not considered part of the main program, but I consider it to be a really sweet, valuable bonus. We have the social checker, another really cool bonus. This allows, so for example, my site is Micanto, so I type that in and I can see the availability across all social platforms. Has this name been registered? A lot of the time the answer is yes, because I've personally registered it. As you can see, YouTube, Instagram, but on MySpace it's available because I don't use that. Dribble, Reddit, I've used it already, and so on. So that's another really kind of cool tool, similar to the Domain Finder in a way. You have the keyword suggestion tool, which is basically a keyword research tool. So if we type in WP Suite, let's try that for example. Might have to, or let's type in my favorite football team, Buffalo Bills. We see, all right, we get some information on our keyword, volume, CPC. You can add it to your saved list. Frankly, I would rather use Google Keyword Tool, but again, it's a bonus. You don't have to use it. And finally, you have video tutorials, which will show you exactly how to use WP Suite. What I'm doing right now is just giving you a quick demo, look inside, but this is a comprehensive guide to using WP Suite, and of course they're videos, so it's very visual. It even shows you how to use those bonus tools we just went over, managing your packages, all the scan features that comes with it. Actually, that's something that I didn't even go over, but it's a really cool feature. Allows you to scan your site for vulnerabilities, which is very important. But yeah, that's basically just an overview of WP Suite and how convenient it can be for managing your WordPress blogs, all from the same platform. They also have a support system. You can create support tickets, send it to the WP Suite staff. If you have any issues, questions, or anything like that, they'll get right back to you. But I'm going to wrap it up at that. So if this is something that you think you could benefit from, I have posted my review link in the description directly below this video. I am offering, once again, my exclusive bonus package along with the vendors bonuses, which is shown here. Click there to see the list. And that's absolutely free with your purchase of WP Suite. It's my exclusive offer. If you go directly to their website, you will not get these things. Except you'll probably get the vendor bonuses here. I'm not sure, but you definitely won't get the ones I'm scrolling through right now, which are some really cool modern bonuses that have to do with internet marketing today. So that's important. But that's about it. I want to thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my demo, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support. And that's about it. So thanks for watching.